Do you know the 5 nutrients that can effectively help you with acid reflux?
Stay tuned and learn about them and how they mitigate acid reflux.
Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas,
Your #1 trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights.
Today we're diving into a topic that affects millions worldwide.
Acid reflux.
Specifically, we'll explore the top 5 nutrients that can help stop acid reflux permanently.
So stay tuned as we unravel the science behind these powerful nutrients and how they can bring you lasting relief. Understanding the stomach.
The stomach is a vital organ in the digestive system, responsible for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. Its primary functions include mixing food with stomach acids and digestive enzymes, creating a semi-liquid substance called chyme, which is then passed to the small intestine for further digestion and absorption. The stomach's lining contains specialized cells that produce hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes, maintaining an acidic environment with a pH level ranging from 1.5 to 3.5.
This high acidity is crucial for protein digestion and protecting against harmful bacteria and pathogens. What is acid reflux? Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing a burning sensation known as heartburn. This condition happens when the lower esophageal sphincter, a muscle that acts as a valve between the esophagus and stomach, doesn't function properly. When the lower esophageal sphincter is weak or relaxes inappropriately, it allows stomach acid to escape into the esophagus, leading to irritation and inflammation. How does acid reflux happen? Acid reflux can manifest in several ways, including heartburn, regurgitation of food or sour liquid, difficulty swallowing, chronic cough, laryngitis, and disrupted sleep. Factors contributing to acid reflux include obesity, smoking, pregnancy, hiatal hernia, and certain foods and beverages like fatty foods, coffee, alcohol, and chocolate. Stress and certain medications can also exacerbate symptoms.
What is hypochlorhydria? Hypochlorhydria is a condition characterized by low levels of stomach acid. Adequate stomach acid is essential for proper digestion and absorption of nutrients. When acid levels are insufficient, it can lead to various digestive issues and nutrient deficiencies.
How is hypochlorhydria produced? Hypochlorhydria can result from several factors, including age, chronic stress, a diet high in processed foods, and overuse of antacids or proton pump inhibitors, also known as PPIs. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less stomach acid, making older adults more susceptible to hypochlorhydria. Chronic stress affects the digestive system by diverting energy away from digestion, leading to decreased acid production. Diets high in processed foods can disrupt stomach acid production as these foods often lack the necessary nutrients to support healthy digestion. Overuse of antacids and PPIs, which are commonly prescribed to treat acid reflux, can also lead to hypochlorhydria by reducing stomach acid levels over time. How proton pump inhibitors contribute to acid reflux? Proton pump inhibitors are a class of medications designed to reduce stomach acid production by blocking the enzyme responsible for acid secretion. While effective in providing short-term relief from acid reflux and heartburn, long-term use of PPIs can contribute to chronic acid reflux and other health issues. By significantly lowering stomach acid levels, PPIs can impair digestion and absorption of essential nutrients, including magnesium, calcium, vitamin B12, and iron. This nutrient malabsorption can lead to deficiencies and associated health problems over time. Moreover, reduced stomach acid levels can disrupt the balance of gut microbiota, leading to an overgrowth of harmful bacteria and increased susceptibility to infections. PPIs can also weaken the lower esophageal sphincter, further exacerbating acid reflux symptoms. Long-term PPI use has been linked to an increased risk of kidney disease, bone fractures, and gastrointestinal infections. The top 5 nutrients to stop acid reflux. Now that we've covered the basics of stomach anatomy, acid reflux, and hypochlorhydria, let's delve into the top 5 nutrients that can help stop acid reflux permanently. 1. Ginger. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant herb that can help reduce symptoms of acid reflux. It has been used for centuries to treat various digestive issues, including nausea and indigestion. Ginger works by soothing the digestive tract, reducing inflammation, and promoting healthy digestion. It also helps strengthen the lower esophageal sphincter, preventing stomach acid from flowing back into the esophagus. Ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerol and shogal, which have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds help soothe the digestive tract, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy digestion. Ginger also stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, improving the breakdown of food and reducing the risk of acid reflux. Additionally, ginger helps strengthen the lower esophageal sphincter, preventing stomach acid from flowing back into the esophagus. 2. Zinc carnosine. Zinc carnosine is a compound that combines zinc with the dipeptide carnosine. Zinc carnosine supports the health of the stomach lining by reducing inflammation, promoting healing, and maintaining the integrity of the gut lining. It helps protect the gastric mucosa from damage caused by stomach acid and other irritants. Zinc carnosine also aids in the production of gastric mucus, which acts as a protective barrier for the stomach lining. By supporting the health of the stomach lining and reducing inflammation, zinc carnosine helps alleviate symptoms of acid reflux. 3. Betaine hydrochloride. Betaine is a supplement that can help increase stomach acid levels in individuals with hypochlorhydria. By restoring proper acid levels, betaine aids in digestion, nutrient absorption, and prevention of acid reflux. It helps ensure that the lower esophageal sphincter functions properly, reducing the risk of stomach acid flowing back into the esophagus. Adequate stomach acid is essential for proper digestion and prevention of acid reflux. By restoring proper acid levels, betaine aids in the breakdown of food, absorption of nutrients, and prevention of acid reflux. 4. Probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support gut health and balance the gut microbiota. A healthy gut microbiota is essential for proper digestion and prevention of acid reflux. Probiotics help maintain the integrity of the gut lining, reduce inflammation, and support the immune system. They also aid in the digestion of food and absorption of nutrients, reducing the likelihood of acid reflux. A healthy gut microbiota is essential for proper digestion and prevention of acid reflux. By promoting a healthy gut environment, probiotics can help alleviate symptoms of acid reflux and improve overall digestive health. 5. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a natural remedy that can help balance stomach acid levels and improve digestion. It has been shown to increase stomach acid production in individuals with hypochlorhydria, reducing symptoms of acid reflux. Apple cider vinegar also contains beneficial enzymes and probiotics that support gut health and digestion. Apple cider vinegar is a natural remedy that can help balance stomach acid levels and improve digestion. By improving stomach acid levels and supporting digestive health, apple cider vinegar can help prevent and alleviate acid reflux. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, understanding and addressing acid reflux requires a comprehensive approach, focusing on the health of the stomach, its acidity levels, and overall gut health. The stomach is a crucial organ in the digestive system, responsible for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. It maintains an acidic environment with a pH level ranging from 1.5 to 3.5, which is essential for protein digestion and protection against harmful bacteria. Acid reflux, a condition where stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, results from the malfunctioning of the lower esophageal sphincter. This can lead to a burning sensation known as heartburn, among other symptoms like regurgitation, difficulty swallowing, and chronic cough. Various factors contribute to acid reflux, including obesity, smoking, certain foods, and stress. Hypochlorhydria, or low stomach acid levels, can further exacerbate digestive issues. It can be caused by age, chronic stress, diets high in processed foods, and overuse of antacids or proton pump inhibitors, also known as PPIs. PPIs, while effective for short-term relief, can impair digestion and nutrient absorption when used long-term, leading to nutrient deficiencies and other health problems. To combat acid reflux, it's essential to focus on specific nutrients that can help restore stomach health and function. Ginger, with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, can soothe the digestive tract and strengthen the LES. Zinc carnosine supports the health of the stomach lining, reduces inflammation, and promotes healing. Betaine hydrochloride can help increase stomach acid levels, aiding in digestion and nutrient absorption. Probiotics promote a healthy gut microbiota, essential for proper digestion and prevention of acid reflux. Finally, apple cider vinegar can balance stomach acid levels and improve digestion. Incorporating these nutrients into your diet can significantly improve gut health and reduce the symptoms of acid reflux. Additionally, adopting a balanced diet, staying hydrated, managing stress, getting regular exercise, and ensuring sufficient sleep are crucial strategies for maintaining overall digestive health. By understanding the underlying causes of acid reflux and addressing them with the right nutrients and lifestyle changes, you can achieve lasting relief and better overall health. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Stay consistent with your training and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.